Hello again. This is the final video covering the standard vehicle workflow in our system. In this session, we will be focusing on the invoice module. As soon as the invoice is generated, the system takes us to this screen. This section displays all completed services and installed parts for the vehicle. Further down, you can review the detailed summary, including the subtotal, any applied discounts, taxes, and the grand total amount. In the View History section, you can review the payment history for the invoice if any payments have already been made. In the Payments tab, we can record a new payment. Simply select the account where the payment will be received and choose the mode of payment. By default, the system displays the full invoice amount. However, if the customer is making a partial payment, you can enter the received amount. The invoice will then be automatically marked as partially paid. You may also add any remark if needed. Finally, click Record Payment to complete the process. In the Credit Note section, we can remove any service or part that the customer is not satisfied with. The value of that item will then be added to the customer's credit balance. This credit can then be used in future visits, allowing the customer to pay for other services or parts using the available balance, similar to an online wallet system. The Return Cash module works similarly to Credit Note feature. However, instead of adding the amount to the customer's credit balance for the future visits, the value is refunded directly to the customer. This allows the workshop to process immediate cash refunds when required. Here you can also print and download or share the invoice directly from these tabs. Finally, the Get Pass section allows us to issue pass if the vehicle owner sends someone else to collect the vehicle on their behalf. Simply enter the receiver credentials and create the Get Pass. This concludes the normal workflow in our system, from vehicle registration all the way through invoicing and payments. Thank you for sticking with us, and we hope to welcome you soon as part of the Sianty family. Thanks for watching. Ciao.